Talk to me. Okay.
Yeah, if I'm breathing and everything. No, you're fine. So, shed me a come up.
Also, then African way.
One out of it.
But we your
Black one.
They not the deep black.
The black was although the shop for the barbershop was I told perfume. Who box are grabbing it.
But we a strong man.
A strong man.
Strong man on them door.
Oh,
well, bah.
Oh, okay.
That man,
okay.
Top notch.
Okay. I've not bought from him before.
And you try and do business with him.
Okay.
You love it.
I've not. Now, me to say we tap send a ad.
Sure.
Omuni version or you send be free alcohol.
And so now when you sorted.
And no, I sorted, but because I'm not Nancy, tap send
to the sense as you could campus now.
Give you a tap send will be a problem.
Yeah. I'm some years, I'm many boss in the casa. Now, I'm here can be. I say, yes, you are one. You send you movie. Ghana for Mojido. Ghana for the summer butcher from me, the moon from you. Come here. And then the final day of the champions. Of course. The last one of games, you know.
Yeah. Now, when you say, and I'm sorry, and I'm saying no. Matches into traffic lights.
Okay.
In the traffic light, you're red, you're yellow, and you're green. They are different red, gold, green. So obviously, match and I say matches are made the best red, no. A match and it's okay. You should be very careful. You say no, I say me ma code to be me per se TFOD. Nearly prepare for the match and no more. So the preparation for the money is there today for any game. But there are certain matches that are games, and so you're very, very careful with them. And that match, Arsenal versus Kiryat Almaty game. No? Arsenal, you're top of the Champions League. Or show, one show, you're Sheno, DBCBR, or top 8. He has nothing to lose. And it is also same for Kiryat Almaty. Almaty so free. Into another show, one show, anything. Although Arsenal playing at home, you need to be very careful with that game. Then there are 2 games that are in the yellow area. And no, you should be careful with them. You better come on. But first off, let's start with the games that I consider green. And now person ko fikesi ma, waiting at to was yashime, you can comfortably put your money on. Which we started late last year. All of a sudden, Yeba be removed in the knockout phases of the Champions League, and the ultimate one is going to be in Budapest. Since here, I'm say teams are qualified to the knockout stages now. Omni, we're in your top 8. Knockout. Arsenal, Bayern, Madrid, Liverpool, Tottenham Hotspur, Paris Saint-Germain, Newcastle, Chelsea, Barcelona, Sporting CP, Manchester City, Atletico de Madrid, Atalanta, Inter Milan, and Juve. These teams have qualified. Whatever happens, they will play in the knockout stage of the Champions League. However, there are 9 more places to go. Inside 9 more places now, the rest of the team, barring only 3 teams per NIA out. The teams that are out, Villarreal. Then there is Kiryat Almaty. Then there's one more team. Only Pafos Nebo. 3 teams are out. It's 3 teams apart from everybody can qualify. And make a qualifier. I mean, whether in the top 8, top 16, top 24, somebody can qualify in that area. We'll go into it. Which we will go first in Paris. And Luis Enrique as holders of the Champions League this season. Which on my last game, I'm Kokobo away at Sporting, it has blown them wide open. And it has given opportunity to club it say Chelsea and Barcelona to feel like we can get into the top 8. But also for Paris Saint-Germain, their hope is in their own hands. However, team in a possible hope of getting the top 8, is hugely a big club that can upset them. Which some clubs will hold on for top 8. Yes, there is the rhetoric of possibly avoiding an extra set of game, but only Newcastle United, they just probably want to qualify. The clubs with the pedigree, Barcelona, Madrid, Bayern, these clubs, Paris Saint-Germain also as holders, definitely would want to win and be in the top 8. Unlike the Newcastle side. Rich, we table now. And then only the current 2 teams are top 8. So it tells you how difficult of a game it's going to be. The EKG trophy for the very first time for them last season. Then it's a big opportunity for them to go against each other. And now Anthony Gordon and Coco Tinemuma Newcastle for also Premier League anti-football. So you are say about Bobo and paper free flowing. At the Premier League, you don't do that day. They will stop you from playing your game. So they know how to stop Paris Saint-Germain from playing their free flowing bits. But this time it's going to be at the Parc des Princes, which per the possible lineup all through all the papers of France. No, we're expecting Lucas Chevalier to be imposed, Elia Zabani, Marquinhos, William Pacho, and a bunch of friends Nuno Mendes, Warren Zaire Emery, Vitinha, and a bunch of friends Mayulu make the midfield 3, Desiree Doué, Dembele, and a bunch of friends Vicha Kvaratskhelia. Whilst on the side of the Newcastle team, Trippier, Thiaw, Botman, and Lewis Hall. Then of course you have Tonali, Willock, and a bunch of friends Lewis Miley. Then Barnes, Wissa, and a bunch of friends Anthony Gordon, which is a game that goes to come. And you could 1.5, you get it.
Okay.
If you push me to the wall to tell you who win, Paris Saint-Germain will win this game at home. Okay? I think the easiest of the teams now, almost per kwanya cut top 8 in them. They are the match, SNK straightforward the Barca match. Because for us now, they buying them, they are already in there. Whatever happens, they'll be there. Then you look at the teams that are there. Madrid is going away to go and play against Benfica away from home. It's quite tricky. You look at Paris Saint-Germain match on mobile. You look at Man City versus Galatasaray. You look at Chelsea going away to Napoli. Then you compare that to Barcelona staying at home to play against Copenhagen. Yes, Copenhagen is a tough side, but you expect Barcelona to do the job of it. I don't see how Barca should not get this job done. In as much as there is an absence of Frankie de Jong and your bench friend Pedri Gonzalez, Barca have enough firepower. Rich, in the middle of the park, there can be the reintroduction of Eric Garcia. Then you put Gerard Martin back at centre back to go and be the left-sided centre back. Then of course, we need that Bernal and Casado add to the pack. Then Barca gets back into the shape that they know, especially in the last few games. And Rich, Hansi de Taflek was solid home record, or both in the Champions League. You see, one thing I want to show you here, you take away from this Barcelona team is that since we call back to the Spotify Camp Nou, the home games, almost yes, the best it has also go most likely.
Which
yes, go and say in a long term. But you see how the person qualify. It's only at least 3 goal margin. Me was confident that Copenhagen may go back to be. But Barca can do it 3-1 at the very least and they don't qualify. I think that Barca will go through solid team, very, very compact. Also the possible lineup now, like I was saying, Eric Garcia, Casado in the middle of the pack, Balde, Gerardo Martin, Kobashi Yeni Kunde. Then Abente Feno, Rooney Baji most likely plays against his former side. Then Abente Feno, Femi Lopez, Rafinha, and Robert Lewandowski. I mean, I disagree slightly with the starting lineup because I think Abente Feno, Lamine Yamal most likely starts in this game. And now, only say Copenhagen for this season, no matter Spain, I share Villarreal. But Villarreal, the Champions League next year, so I expect that Barca gets the results against them. Which in Germany fell in love with Aaron and Silmino. And now there was a video I saw. Say, boy, you know, the notice kids say Chelsea for a friend back. Now, a brand here friend Aaron and Silmino, no can say soon. And most of the Dortmund boys were crying. Today they are not going to be without the Argentine young man because Chelsea for that friend back. But however we feel, which almost against Internazionale Milan. Now it's a game that Niko Kovac said they already have a place in the knockout phase of the Champions League, but they need to solidify it. And so almost solidify on the ground to be able to do that. Christian Kivu Elusu to Arsenal. He's going away to Germany. It's a good, I think, at over 1.5 Ebertor. Manchester City against Galatasaray. What happened to Manchester City? Bodo, no. They don't want that to happen to them again. And I'm over against the Galatasaray side that if they get a draw, they will be in the top 16. Betting qualify from the playoffs. Which I will feel at the Etihad. I think Manchester City win this one and they do it over 1.5. I think it's a very, very game. Manchester City for only beating Yasha because Erling Haaland will be back in the starting lineup for Foden, Bernardo Silva, Ryan Cherki, Jeremy Doku, Tijani Reinders, Ake, Abdulkader Kosinov. Most likely, I think Magay cannot. Nuno Mendes, Eda Brentford, and Nico O'Reilly. I'm very confident that Manchester City win this one. In terms of pedigree, Madrid and Benfica match no sustain Napoli and Chelsea. But baby, Madrid is done. Omunya draw come okay. And Benfica in the Champions League, almost everybody beats them. Home matches can create really 1 or 2. And they don't score as much. So I'm confident that Real Madrid match and under 3.5 is expected to happen or Madrid straight win. Alright, this is the game. And I'll tell you why. First off, Napoli for no players they do pra. But at home this season, they've not lost. And Antonio Conte is playing against an old foe. According to
the former team.
Yes, Onyeska and Konkoto Kaisedo money at the end. But he wants to be able to compete with them. Maybe a Napoli dano. Even a draw gives them a chance. But a Chelsea Nyanya draw, their chance of qualifying to the top 8 and ding.
So a must win.
It means that it is a must win. Liam Rossoneri show per top 8 automatic qualification, and the very first time at Chelsea ever back into the Champions League after 21. No, it is big boys level. Then you have to beat Team Efren and Napoli away from home. And now Liam Rossoneri also beating Yashe. He has debunked rumors of Copenhagen. In fact, or say a nonsense, and he doesn't know where it's coming from. And today, this is what has to happen. Napoli will qualify for the Champions League playoff if they beat Chelsea at least one of Galatasaray, Karabakh, Marseille, Bayer Leverkusen, Monaco, PSG, Athletic Club Bilbao, Olympiacos does not win. If they draw and Bayer Leverkusen lose by 2 goals, that is not possible. If they draw and one of Monaco, PSG, Olympiacos, Athletic Club Bilbao lose their match, this is the way. Napoli, they get a draw, they have a chance, but dependent on other performances. But Chelsea has to go away to go and win. Okay, I said last time, Enzo Maresca go away to Italy in 29. The last game also against Karabakh, away in Azerbaijan, Kobo draw 1-1. I think Kazakhstan games no really. We would have been talking about a different story here.
Sure.
But it makes this tie difficult. The good thing is that Chelsea have majority of the players back. Wesley Fofana gets back into centre back with Abrante friend Trevor Chalobah, Kukurea, Rhys James at full back. They are a co-EMA Chelsea against Crystal Palace, which is Andre Santos as a half 4, half 5, back 5. No, will happen again with Moise Caicedo, Enzo Fernandez. Cole Palmer is back into the team. I don't suspect Sobe starting because Estevao Willian has been good against Crystal Palace, and I think he starts. Pedro Neto on the wing, and Abrante friend Liam Delap leads the line. And Chelsea for will go and meet familiar faces. Omunim Rasmus Hojlund from Premier League, Omunim Scott McTominay from Premier League, and these are 2 very important players for Antonio Conte. I think that Conte will stay in the game as long as possible. Because Omunim are draw, depending on what is happening elsewhere, they may get a chance through. Until he won't want to throw all of that away. Una open win, El Machi, Tibrabe Chesi. You chasing a book and shower, then the job becomes difficult for you. It becomes a much more trickier game for Abrante friend Liam Rossoneri. But I think that at least over 1.5 do Kofi Kesi Messi. I expect Liam Rossoneri say at least on lose match way. But do Kofi Kesi and over 1.5 media you can put your money on because goals will come.
But Kofi, a must win feasible for Chelsea?
Oh yes. I think it's very feasible for Chelsea.
How going to win Champions League winning ball?
That is a rich. How can you baby?
Coupled with injuries,
Yeah.
And my Chelsea will move in a year.
See,
but baby, I'm no young doing it. Say, oh no, on your drop.
Yeah.
Empty or say Italian team, no best set back and soak the pressure.
Yeah, about how over approaching match.
Empty or there while Boba could be a 2 counter binabia. When you're born at the tornado, game 9 day.
You are in trouble.
You are so chasing game, no?
You are in trouble.
I think
it's also Enra. We sang the praises of Liam Rossoneri of the first 5 games. Mabono. Ochina be a different test. I think that Ochina and then will tell us how Liam Rossoneri approaches tricky games. Game Oko out be brave show. One because Wabo low blocks was Wabo big boys intensity was show. But how do you play in a Champions League game like this? You need to be tactful. When you're tactful, you lose the game and then you give yourself extra games to qualify for knockout phase or the Champions League. That is the thing. We'll see how tonight will bring our match in. Madrid they call away to Benfica. You see Mourinho dey say mfa.
Mourinho dey. On the Benfica. Na Mourinho nya coaches no got to be.
But league dey show. But Champions League never. League ni Nkran Braga money one Victoria Gambier.
No match.
One you show one. But 2-0. Let me check you so fast for 3-1 2-1. You say. Oh yeah, Juma Portugal now. Oh big boys tomorrow. I want na Juma na head.
Omo bonus
Reach Madrid the year almost 15 points. Yeah. So even just the draw puts Madrid in pole position to qualify for the Champions League knockout phases in the top 8. I think so you're very careful. Madrid double chance. You see, don't be overwhelmed by last week goals and Madrid sharing command Madrid over 2.5 over 3.5. Be careful. Every game there Benfica will be in the Champions League under 2.5 game. And we know Jose Mourinho. So be careful. Either an over 1.5 and Madrid win and over 1.5 Madrid double chance they are fine. But don't go and put your money too much on goals. And now Jose Mourinho so no power very below asem. Although no pay Alonso asem no. Or also power below asem. We nine boys. It will be a robust support no. No I Madrid the Jumano in that regard. And quickly I'm expecting say Madrid will be able to do the job. This is the red match. No?
Arsenal.
Who do you think Arsenal will do? Oh, qualify a create a match is way free.
No, but it's simple. Arsenal lose it to Manchester United, which say Arsenal fans no crowd doubt because yataka in the Premier League say you can say team obet the Premier League is simple is Arsenal.
Yeah.
And the same team no obet we bottle Premier League is simple.
Yeah.
And meaning say Arsenal fans no crowd now I'm not sure say be so more questions Arsenal come here dey be third so Arsenal dey almost started the year but the baby are no more no you no more bottle dey
almost for create Martin
yeah do one na so me Mikel Arteta
of we nyan kwan
that's it statement win
okay
catch your supporters say pamcho see lose you to Manchester United na clear that doubt no
4-0 5-0
channel 7B so na karata mati
but I don't know me think of for some qualifiers because Arsenal see can swap
I will say in terms of Arsenal karata mati there
until you expect that but now Mikel Arteta say vamos BNC or BNC
4.2
or BNC
okay
muna wa harmony na pep according to Mikel Arteta nothing has happened. Liverpool it's Nhyira against Qarabag. It's a game that I expect Liverpool to quickly also win the game. Atletico de Madrid in about 12 to 13 matches in the Champions League. We're winning against Bordeaux. I expect Atletico de Madrid with a very solid base to be able to win the game with some goals and over 1.5. Or Tottenham Hotspur are going away to Frankfurt. Both teams are in a good place. I think either go and also over 1.5 is most likely to happen. Bayern Munich, Charlie Vincent Company team. I won't try picture you. I won't try picture you.
You put try picture you. No problem.
I won't try because usually come in Kabamu who me emotion. I won't try picture you bacho.
I didn't get it. I'm going to move.
I won't try picture you bacho. Bayern go away to PSG and okay. Either team to win over 1.5 goals or come. Juve any Monaco match and it's a game where if you want to sit off, you can sit off at of it as well. Then finally, Club Brugge any team my friend in Marseille. It's a game that team are over 2.5 betting to Leverkusen and Villarreal a film. Leverkusen double chance and over 1.5. It's a likely game. It's rich. You're around the app now and me. O she born na kita remote.
Se me do na push kro ni mo.
O se o ne.
Oh me.
I don't create me say me na police.
Me
against you.
Operation. Chelsea babo playoff. No ma say operation no free. Mo, me se me mam on to mo ka. E na mo ye den. Na push kro ni ye be say game.
And now we were able to win. Mr. Let's continue the streak. Me now just a few quotes for our pen or paper natural. And the Champions League looks like a very, very good night here. But first one here, BW36542504. Second one here, BW3653F7B7. Third one here, BW3653 9CD0. Fourth one here BW3653505F. Fourth one F BW3652F6 2C H.
Okay. Fifi, it does it for games